Hello friends, we are the students of 11th Commerce English Medium from SSV School.
And today we have got the opportunity to discuss about India's most challenging exam, which is UPSC.
UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, are conducted by Central Government of India for the selection of civil service examination and other government positions. UPSC is one of the toughest and challenging exam of India. There are three key functions of UPSC. First is selection based, which is civil service examination, engineering based examination, and armed force based examination. Second, appointment are on the basis of discipline, and promotions. Third, it is mandatory to follow rules and regulations.
To crack the UPSC exam, there are three stages. First stage is preliminary examination, means prelims. Second stage is main examination, and third stage is interview, means personality test. So, in preliminary examination, there are two objective papers: general studies and civil services aptitude test. Second is main examination, means main. There are nine descriptive papers, four general studies, two optional papers, an essay, and two qualifying papers. And now third interview means personality test. Candidates are selected on the basis of personality traits, vocabulary, body language, and overall suitability for government roles.
Now you get the information about the UPSC. I am giving you information about the eligibility criteria. फर्स्ट नेशनलिटी, जो भी कैंडिडेट्स है वो इंडियन होने चाहिए और भूटान और नेपाल के सिटीजन भी एलिजिबल है. देन ग्रेजुएशन, जो भी कैंडिडेट्स है वो कोई रेप्यूटेड कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट डिग्री होनी चाहिए. फिर एज लिमिट, उसमें तीन क्राइटेरिया आते हैं. पहला जनरल कास्ट, उसके लिए जो एज लिमिट है वो है 21 to 32 ईयर्स. देन ओबीसी, उसके लिए एज लिमिट है 21 ईयर्स to 35 ईयर्स. देन एससी एंड एसटी, उसके लिए एज लिमिट है 21 ईयर्स to 37 ईयर्स. नाउ जो अटेम्प्ट जो दे सकते हैं कैंडिडेट, जो जनरल कास्ट के लोग हैं वो 6 अटेम्प्ट दे सकते हैं. जो ओबीसी कास्ट के लोग हैं वो 9 अटेम्प्ट दे सकते हैं. और जो एससी और एसटी के जो लोग हैं वो अनलिमिटेड अटेम्प्ट दे सकते हैं विद इन द एज लिमिट. नाउ मेजर यूपीएससी एग्जाम. फर्स्ट IFS, इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस, जो फॉरेस्ट सर्विस के लिए होती है. देन आती है CDS, कंबाइंड डिफेंस सर्विस, जो आर्म फोर्स में जिसको ज्वाइन होना है उसके लिए. फिर ESE, इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन, जो भी इंजीनियर है उसको अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में ज्वाइन करना है तो. देन NDM, नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी, जो भी आर्मी और नेवी में ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं वो. और तीसरी आती है रेलवे अप्रेंटिस के लिए, जिसको भी रेलवे सर्विस में ज्वाइन होना है वो. So, before you start preparation for UPSC exam, you have to decide for the purpose you are doing so. Because if you will have clear vision and reason for doing so, it will not feel like a burden to you, but you will enjoy the course. And you have to keep in mind while preparing that UPSC syllabus is very vast, which has 26 subjects. Subjects like history, geography, environment, economics, and current affairs. UPSC conducts two papers, General Studies Paper 1 and General Studies Paper 2, which is of 100 and 80 marks respectively. Each paper is of 200 marks and negative marking is of 1/3. Time management is a skill which you will require, and you can get the information from newspapers, NCERT book, standard sources, and other materials. Now, after getting selected, you have to accept your workplace as your second home, because civil servants have to serve in rural areas, dazzling metropolis, or even in foreign embassies. However, UPSC promises a great future ahead for personal development as well as professional development. It serves you a platform to serve for the nation and for its people. Successful UPSC candidates can follow professions like IPS, IAS, IFS, and IRS. Now, if you want to start preparation just after graduate, you have to start studying for it from standard 11. And for it, you will require 3 Ds: discipline, dedication, and determination. Thank you. Now, if you have any queries, you can ask the questions.
To apply for UPSC exam, is English mandatory?
No, English is not mandatory.
Which language is preferable?
To crack the interview, English is not mandatory. You can get the interview in your state language.
As you said that total marks is 200 per paper of UPSC. So how much minimum marks we require to crack the UPSC exam?
To crack the UPSC exam, minimum marks required are 90, and if you have result between 90 to 120 marks, it is considered as average result.
From the subjects which were mentioned by you, which are the other subjects included in the preparation of UPSC examination?
UPSC means has an optional subject with list around 26 to 30. Popular ones includes humanities, professional, and sciences.
In which month of the year and which date UPSC exams are conducted?
So there is no specific date, but the month are usually prelims are taken in May and June. Main exams are taken in September and October, and interview are taken in uh, March and April.
अभी सब्जेक्ट डिस्कशन में आपने करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में बताया. कैन यू गाइड व्हाट इज करंट अफेयर्स?
Current affair means the daily events of national and international. It includes politics, economic, sports, global relationship, technology, science, etc.
In UPSC exam, how many seats are reserved for sports quota?
There is no reservation for sports quota.
What if you can't crack UPSC?
If you don't crack UPSC, there are many options like State Public Service Commission exam, bank exam, railway exams, and other higher studies exams like MBA and PhD.
At which place the interview of UPSC conducted?
UPSC interview or personality test is conducted only in Delhi at the UPSC office Dholpur House.
We are thankful to SSV and Sahas team for organizing this interactive discussion.